1 week ago, on February the 9th, the Teamsters filed an emergency lawsuit in federal court in the state of Massachusetts. They are trying to block the next round of buyouts. Here's what UPS tried to do. A new program called the Driver Choice Program, $150,000 lump sum to any full-time driver, regardless of how long you've worked there. So they're willing to give you $150,000 in cash, a lump sum, just to get you out of there. Doesn't matter if you've been there for 2 years. Doesn't matter if you've been there for 1 year. Doesn't matter if you've been there for 20 years, like many of the UPS drivers have been. But here's the catch. You take that money, you sign away your right to ever work at UPS again. You give up your union representation. You walk away from your pension growth, your employer-paid health care, everything for $150,000. Let me know in the chat what you guys would do. Would you take it? $150,000? Maybe that's enough money for you to start a business. Maybe that's enough money to spend a year learning AI skills. Maybe that's enough money to retire. Let me know what you guys would do in the chat. But the Teamsters, they say this is broader than anything UPS tried before. Last summer's buyout targeted senior drivers near retirement. This one targets everybody. So they filed 6 violations of the national contract, sent 57 requests for information to UPS leadership. UPS leadership ignored them all, developed the program behind the closed doors. Now, here's my analyst take on this one. I'm not going to take sides on the legal fight. That's for the courts to do. But here's what the data tells you. On the same earnings call where UPS announced 30,000 cuts, they reported $8.5 billion in cash collected last quarter, $6.4 billion returned to shareholders, $1 billion in stock buybacks, and they are projecting $89.7 billion in revenue this year, higher than last year. So UPS isn't shrinking. UPS is replacing its business model. The CEO called the Amazon business, quote, extraordinary dilutive. That means every Amazon package they delivered actually lowered their profits. So they are cutting Amazon volume by half, cutting 78,000 jobs tied to that volume and replacing it with healthcare logistics, higher margin customers, more automation. The workers are being replaced. The business is not. That's the pattern.